makeup look, if you guys see in the back of me. So we're going to just do the best that we can. No one is not perfect. So tap on that screen, show your girl some love, tap, tap, tap. And we're going to get started. So I already did my eyebrows, but first I need some concealer to lift my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Nicka K Acorn number 07. So I'm going to apply that underneath my brows. But first, let me turn the light off so you guys can see. Okay. So I'm going to apply some concealer here. Okay, that's what's up. I'm going to use this blending sponge. Oh yeah, we're going to finish early today. Welcome, welcome to my live. If you guys haven't already, please tap on that screen, show your girl some love. Don't be afraid to show your girl some love. Tap, 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 tap. Share my live. Alright, you guys. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to use the Nude Me eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use my blending brush. I'm going to use the color Top Secret. It's like a reddish brown color. So I'm just going to use that color all over my eyelid. And then next, I'm going to use my Weka Beach eyeshadow palette. This is new by I Envy. I'm going to use the color purple. This purple I'm going to use on the outer side of my eye. I'm going to blend that out. Blend, blend, blend. And then next, I'm going to use like this darker violet purple color. And I'm going to apply that like towards the end or middle of my eye. And then I'm going to use like a light pink. And then I'm going to use Draw Me Rainbow eyeshadow palette. This is one of your guys' favorites. I'm going to use Happiness. It's like a shimmer color. And I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to use my face paint. I'm going to use white. And I'm just going to draw. Oops, did I draw it too high? Yep, I drew it too high. Hold on. I'm going to fix that. So if you made a mistake, just go back over it and redo it again. So bring it downward some. Okay. Tap, tap, tap on that screen. Show your girl some love. Alright. And then we're going to use my Emerald Crystal Glow lashes, you guys. These are the lashes by I Envy. And these are how they look. And I'm going to use my 3D adhesive lash glue. I'm going to apply towards the rim of my lashes. Make sure I have enough glue. Good morning, good morning. I'm going to apply the lashes. And then we're going to draw our eyeliner. Wish I should have did first, but it's all good. I don't know how to sing. Thank you, Patton. Come on, y'all. If you tap on that screen for me. I can't see what's happening. Alright, guys. We're going to apply the Hydration Grip by I Envy Kiss. So this, you definitely need this to apply on your skin. Because trust me, you do not want your makeup to be flaking up on you. You want it to be smooth as possible. And then I'm going to spray this spray. Alright. Now, the best part I love doing is doing the concealer. Oops, excuse me, y'all. Okay, so we're going to do the concealer. We're going to do the Warm Honey 320 by I Envy. Thank you, thank you. I'm going to use the Cool Cafe by Absolute New York. It's the 2-in-1 concealer by Absolute New York. This is Cool Cafe 05. I'm going to let that sit for a little bit, and I'm going to apply some around my lip area. And then I'm going to use the Elf Grip Spray. This is one of the best sprays. It's light mist. I spray twice. And now we're going to blend in those two concealers and the foundations. I'm going to mix those two together. And we're going to blend it out all the way down to the lip area. I do celebrity makeups or YouTuber content makeup. So, you know, my transformation want to see me do something different. So that's why this is the makeup. And then plus I'm going to work. So I'm going to be wearing this to work. And I try to do different looks. So you guys won't be saying I'm doing the same looks with my makeup every day on my live. So I'm going to do something different and creative. I'm going to wear my capris, like a light blue capris and a black shirt. Because I, you know, do inventory and I do boxes and I've been like cleaning up the store. And that's why I said that. That's why I want to move up to upper management, but they don't want me to because of the color of my skin. That's fine. So that's why I'm trying to find somewhere else to work. Everybody would say, I would have quit. I mean, that's easy for everybody to say. But, you know, I can't quit because I have bills. So I wish I could. Trofusion, welcome to my live. Yes, I will show the final outcome. You guys will catch it tomorrow morning. You will see the shorts and I will post the full content. So, what do you guys think? Um, cause I had to get my channel monetized. I had to have so many watch hours, which I find that what I like don't like about YouTube. That's so stupid. And then I gotta have 3 million views on my shorts. I had 1 million at the beginning of this year, and they changed the algorithm, so everything is messed up. So, you know, I'm trying. So it's just kind of like weighing me down, and a lot of people looking at my stuff and they getting recognition for it. I'm being creative here, and it's just, I feel like stuff is just not fair for me. There's just a lot of things that's just not working out, and I try not to get discouraged, you know. I want to collaborate with others, but I keep getting let down. So, hey, how are you doing? Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. So I want to say thank you, TikTok, and this is the look that I did Inspire Look by. Close enough. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I might come back on TikTok live tonight because thank you. You guys waited at the last minute. It was another makeup look that I asked you guys about, and you guys voted. So I'm gonna come back on TikTok tonight as well, and we will have fun doing that. So thank you, Patton. So we will come back together on YouTube and TikTok tonight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all later, and have a blessed Monday. Bye.